So I have your permission to go ahead with the shot? Yeah, good. And Daddy, you don't have to look if it's going to upset you. Yeah. Okay, Pumpkin. Are we coming your way? Are we? That's right. All done, sweetie. All done. All done. All done. Oh, that bell works wonders. You like the bell, don't you? Look at you looking at my bell. Oh, everybody loves my bell. Oh, you were such a brave girl. Yes, you were. You did great, sweetheart. You all done? Oh, yeah, Mommy and Daddy will have to go out and buy a bell for you now. Hey? Yeah. Good, no bleeding, nothing. Great. Okay.